the TBS champion, Willow Nightingale. Chris Stanley, but Willow, Daddy Magic, Willow Nightingale seems to be on fire.
Oh boy.
Well, we ain't done yet.
I figured she'd be in Vegas.
The CEO, Mercedes Mone.
Here we go!
Charging into the ring, ducking underneath, and now...
You can't just sit there, Chris.
Oh, wait a second,
Oh, boy.
Statlander.
Oh, boy!
Looking for a little Friday Night Fever, but instead... Mercedes now looking for the Mone maker, but Willow. Oh, kick to the midsection. Mercedes has already felt this once. It was through a table, but now...
We're just going at it!
Mercedes turning to the table.
It's broken down.
So much animosity between these two women.
We're only 48 hours away!
48 hours away from the triple main event. At Double or Nothing, Mercedes Mone challenging Willow Nightingale for the TBS Championship.
The referees, security trying to
Get
hold
him out of
back.
here! I mean, just as a company, we got to protect the investment of this match!
Absolutely, that's a great call. We really do.
So much anticipation. The Double or Nothing. Mercedes breaks free. And Statlander pulling Willow Nightingale free. We have to try to restore order. Will that be the scene this Sunday night at Double or Nothing? Will Mercedes Mone capture the TBS Championship? Well, fans, thank you very much for joining us tonight on Rampage. Don't go anywhere, because coming up next right here on TNT, it's Countdown to Double or Nothing. Get an inside look at the biggest stories of this weekend. We will see you tomorrow night on TBS 8, 7 Central for Collision, and then Sunday night live on pay-per-view for Double or Nothing.